everyone.
Hello.
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 Energetic. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Okay, so my today's topic is my transformation with experience. But before that, I would like to share something that would you like to know why I'm here?
Yes.
Say yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, because I have completed my 220 videos consistently. And I have done my 20 assignments. I have gone 50 times, more than 50 times every life. Just because of that, I got this golden opportunity. Sir chose me. So before going ahead, I would like to thank my parents, my husband, and all parents because you are going to listen me. And I would like to thank GAUTAM sir and respected ma'ams. Just because of them, they helped me a lot. I became English confident. So I would introduce myself that my name is Nandini Chinmay Murodkar. I work as a sales executive and my ambition is to become a sales manager. So let's come to the point. So my transformation. Behind every transformation, some experience available. So yes, I had experience. Just because of that, I decided to learn English. So I would like to share that my experience is that before 3 months, so I couldn't speak English. It's not like that I can't speak, I can't write. I can, but I have lots of confidence issues. So being a sales executive, I have to communicate with customers. So I was very comfortably communicate with them in Hindi, but I was not communicate with them in English just because of that confidence. So I have faced so many challenges. So one day what happened, a customer came and he asked me details in English. So that time what I did, I just passed my customer to other sales executives. So that time I was feeling bad and I faced so much embarrassment. So just because of that, I decided to learn English. And I found this class, step-by-step English speaking academy, and here we can say, Miss, I got this great mentor. Miss, just because of his guidance, Gautam sir's guidance, and I started taking actions, and I got good environment. Miss, like my friends, Miss, everyone in Gold Batch. Miss, I got good environment. Just because of that, now I became English confident. I saw this transformation. So in the last, I would like to say, Miss, I would like to tell every student, start taking actions. One day you will get good result. You will become English confident quicker, better, and faster. So thank you so much.